Hey ladies and gentlemen, my name is David and welcome back to Simple Finance. In this video, I want to be talking about ways to make your money work for you. So before we start this video, I just want to say that only invest money you can afford to lose. Before you start investing your money, make sure you have some money set aside for your emergency fund because that is very fundamental. If you have extra cash laying around and you want to start making money with that money, well, this is the right video for you. These are the things that you can start doing to get your money working for you. The very first thing that I would say is to invest in stocks. And not just any stocks, but in dividend stocks. So the reason why I say dividend stocks is because some companies that pay dividends actually pay their shareholders cash annually, semi-annual, or quarterly, depending on when their payments are, a certain percentage. So if you're able to invest in stocks that pay dividends, then that's definitely a really good way to get your money start generating more money for you. So I know stocks is kind of boring, but if you're someone who likes to hustle and grind, the next one is going to be something that you're going to like a lot. So another way for you to start generating more money with the money that you have right now is actually through flipping. And the great thing about flipping is that you can actually flip anything. Flipping works really well if you're able to find something that's very hype that can be resold right away, or if you can find something that are undervalued and you buy it at that price and sell it at the right price that it should be. So, for example, if you're someone who likes sneakers and knows a lot about sneakers, then you can start flipping sneakers. You're gonna know which ones are gonna be most coveted, and so you should start aiming on getting those sneakers at a retail price and start reselling them at a market value. So, for example, if you're able to see a clothing worth $50, but you know it's worth about $80, definitely buy it at $50 and then sell it in the market price of $80, and you just made yourself a $30 profit. So if you have a good eye on eyeing out undervalued items, then definitely start flipping because you can start making a lot of money with this. The thing with flipping is that you may not be able to sell everything right away. And so sometimes the cash that you spend on buying these items may just be on hold. You're not going to be able to liquidate these items so easily for cash. So that's why keep in mind that you should only invest money that you can afford to lose. Aside from sneakers and clothing, one thing that you can also start doing is start flipping collectibles. So the collectibles hobby is very lucrative. Personally, I'm into the Pokemon hobby. One thing that I've been doing is that I started flipping Pokemon cards as well as sealed boxes. And what's great about sealed boxes is that if you're able to get your hands on coveted boxes, you're able to make your money really quick because they sell out very quick. And the thing with sealed products is that if you're not able to sell at the price that you want, you can always make your money back because it's almost guaranteed that someone will buy it at the retail price that you bought it at, if this is a coveted item that people are looking for. So you always gotta educate yourself before entering into these things because you gotta know what sells and what doesn't. Because if you don't know what sells and what doesn't, then you're just putting yourself at a high risk of losing some money instead of generating money. And if you're someone who's advanced and has a lot of money, then you can definitely start investing into real estate. By investing into real estate, you can buy properties and get them rented. And so by having a rental property, the rent money that you're getting every month from your renters, you can use that fund to pay off the mortgage. And the great thing about that is that each month you're going to be building equity within the home. Not only that, but the value of the home always increase as well. So if you do have some extra money on the side and you want to start making more money, then these are some of the things that you can definitely do. And yeah, anyways guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys next time.